DMZ TV, guess who's back? It's your boy Dutch.
And your other favorite DMZ host, Travis.
And today we're gonna talk about mixology. We're gonna be mixing some Zomo together, so ready to do this?
I'm always ready.
Let's go. Another episode of mixology, and why not do it with Zomo?
There's no better brand to do it with, my man.
So what you working with today?
I got that Zomo swag, I got that dry Sahara, and I got that Fresh Province fire. This stuff performs amazing together. Why? Because I got coffee, I got cinnamon with some floral notes. It is just to die for.
That's all you right there.
Yo, Dutchie, what do you got over there, bro?
Let me show you, bro. I got that Zomo Black. Then I got that Zomo Mango. And of course, you gotta put some of this Zomo Orange. I mean, these are my favorite flavors for the Strong collection. I love these flavors. I mix them up together and it's a blast. I mean, I have nothing but like fruits in my mouth with that menthol.
It's like a party in your bowl, bro.
That's what I'm saying. So how about we start packing these bowls?
Let's do it.
So explain your percentages on your Zomo mix.
Yeah, definitely. So I've got 70% dry Sahara, which is a coffee flavor, and I've got 30% Fresh Province, which has floral notes and cinnamon to it. So it's gonna work real great together.
So how come you work with those percentages?
Because I want the coffee to be the overarching flavor, and I want the Fresh Province to simply complement it.
All right.
How about you, Dutchie? What you got going on, bro?
Well, I made it very simple. I did 40% strong orange, 40% strong mango, and then I went with only 20% of the black.
That sounds like 150% awesome, though.
Oh, definitely. So I went with these because the black is pretty strong. The black I went with only 20%. I like that oak taste to it, so I went with it with only 20%. While the other ones, I love that fruit. I love fruity flavors, so those I definitely went 40-40. So let's start mixing these bowls.
Let's do it, bro.
All right, let's go. I think we're ready.
I think we got it.
All right. Ooh, nice.
Oh,
loving this flavor.
So my bowl is awesome right now.
So tell me, Travis, what are you tasting? I mean, what's your mix like?
Oh, it's definitely coffee right on the tip of your tongue, right off the bat. Straight coffee with that Province, giving you the nice little floral cinnamon burst. It is just like taking ground up cinnamon, sprinkling it right on top of your coffee in the morning. This is a morning smoke for days.
And that's all you, bro, because I'm not too crazy about the coffee and not too crazy about the Fresh Province. I kind of like them mixed, but those two flavors, that's your mix right there.
I'll take ownership of that any day of the week.
And if he likes it, I mean, you know, you guys would definitely like it. Me, I'm more like a fruity flavor mix. So I definitely like on the inhale of this, I taste like the mango right away, a little bit of the orange, but on the exhale, you get that black, the straight, you know, that oakiness, the little menthol.
Oh yeah.
That's what you get.
And that nice natural mango right in there, right? That stuff is just prime time, best mango on the market today.
And
natural.
You actually feel the flavors of South America right there, because as you can see in the box, it has that sugar cane. So they're using definitely sugar cane molasses. You can taste that.
I can taste it.
Yeah, so it's not that sweetness from honey, it's that sugar cane, you know, makes you feel like you're right there in South America.
You know what I love about the sugar cane?
What?
Is it lets the flavor be very bold. You don't get any honey taste.
There we go. And let's talk about our setups.
Yeah,
so what you got on your setup?
Well, I'm gonna start with my base. I got a teardrop base from Sky Hookah Distribution. They're brand new on the market. I've got a Prometheus Titan shortened down to a micron for a tabletop setup. Got the brand new Liberty Mini Apache with the Provost and 2 Superior Cocos. What you got going on over there, Dutchie?
Well, I got my little favorite. It's an Ottoman N7 tank. And on top of it, of course, we're using the Bordello bowl with 2 hexagon Superior coals.
I love those hexagon coals, man.
So as you can see, we kind of mix it up. We went one with HMD and one with straight foil.
But I'll tell you this, Dutchie, don't matter how you use them, Zomo tobacco performs.
Can you mix this with other flavors?
Oh yeah.
Companies.
I mix this with Trifecta, I mix this with Black Lava. I can mix it with Tangiers because it's that heat resistant. It actually brings up the mix and I can throw even more heat at it. So it mixes with almost any performing brand out there.
And that's what I like from Zomo. I mean, that you can just grab any other company and just mix it. It doesn't have to be only dark tobacco. You can mix it also with blonde and dark. I mean, it's amazing.
You know what I love?
What?
Zomo Blonde is what I'm smoking. This stuff can go with anything. It can go with dark leaf, it can go with blonde leaf. It don't matter, it's still gonna perform great.
There you go, and it takes the heat well.
It actually is one of the most heat resilient tobaccos on the market in my opinion.
Definitely. So let's take one last hit. And guys, we're gonna be coming out with some more of these videos. So let us know if you like, the mixology videos, and if you want, just put down in the comments. Let us know if you think other mixes that you've tried with Zomo or other brands, how they mix it together. So that way we can probably try it out and see how it works in the show. What do you think?
And if you have a favorite flavor out there, hit it in the comment section and we will find a way to mix that with something to elevate that flavor.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of mixology. And again, if you guys got any mixes out there that you want us to try or any suggestions for our next episode, let us know. Just put it in the comments.
And don't forget to smash that like button. If you like it, leave us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to DMZ TV.
DMZ TV, and we're out.